lower, those are supply deficits, and that's what drove trading in the London and U.S. sessions. And we're seeing in Asia trading prices stay close to this 10-month high. Again, global oil markets, according to OPEC data, are facing one of the biggest shortfalls in a decade. More than 3 million barrels, 3.3 is the estimate, shortfall in the fourth quarter. And again, that is what sent Brent and West Texas Intermediate to fresh highs year to date. Meanwhile, we should point out the U.S. Information Agency, or EIA, is having a slightly different view, at least thus far. Their prior announcements were 230,000 barrel a day deficit by end of year, but that was before the Saudi-led extension of their voluntary curbs on oil output to the end of the year. Russia joined in by curbing their exports, and what you're seeing right here is Brent on a tear, hitting 92 per barrel in the latest session. The upward momentum has been strong. We're seeing a similar momentum with West Texas Intermediate. And so when the IEA comes out with its latest outlooks later on Wednesday here in the U.S., it'll be very interesting to see what their numbers suggest as the end of the year shortfall. But right now the market has been trading on what looks like a very tight market, getting even tighter.
How much tighter, right? How much further do we have to run here?
Well, I guess the question is, are we going to $100 a barrel? The market seems to be indicating that. The forward curve seems to be indicating that. But many of the big banks and the rather more influential forecasters, whether it's JP Morgan or RBC Capital Markets, they do not see $100 by the end of the year. They are, again, at odds with what the market is showing. If you drop it in Bloomberg, you'll see there's been an increase of bets by traders and other professional investors. We'll move 100 just within striking distance of it now with Brent at 92. It's important to point out that futures prices have rallied some 25% since June, and that's both Brent and West Texas Intermediate. This is also coming, the Saudi-led supply squeeze. It's coming at a time of year when demand is at the highest. In the fourth quarter, we get into the winter, and that's when the demand is at its strongest.
Bloomberg's so keen in there. Well, BP CEO Bernard Looney has resigned immediately after a plea he failed to fully disclose past personal relationships with colleagues. Bloomberg's Simon Casey joins us now. So, what sort of scenario does this leave BP in?
Well, all of a sudden, of course, they have to find a new CEO. So right now, the CFO, has been installed as interim CEO of the company, looking for a long-term replacement. Very early to speculate, but debating on BBC I can't think there's been a time when they haven't had it decided taking the top job. So I would say look to Mariana Canal, look to other people on the executive committee as a who knows, maybe after this surprise, the board might look as well as outside candidates, which is
So, what does Looney's resignation actually mean for corporate governance standards?
I mean, I think it's the latest in a series that in recent years we've seen CEOs being failing to be honest with their board. Fundamentally, that's what this is partly about. Also about having relationships with employees. When you are at that kind of level, there is almost in all cases prohibition rules against that. But so it's a combination of those two things. And I talking to my colleagues at Bloomberg News who cover corporate responsibility, ESG, they point out you've got a lot of time in recent years. The board feel much more empowered to enforce these rules and to hold even the CEO to account.
Simon Casey, our managing editor for energy and commodities in the Americas. You can get a roundup of all of the stories that you need to know to get your day going in today's edition of Daybreak. Terminal subscribers go to DayBgo. Also available on mobile in the Bloomberg Anywhere app. You can customize your settings so you only get the news on the industries and the assets that you care about. This is Bloomberg. A quick look at some of the top geopolitical stories that we're following. US Republicans have formally launched an impeachment inquiry into President Biden. We're told investigators will focus on his son Hunter Biden's overseas business affairs and whether the president benefited from them. The White House earlier said that the Republicans' own inquiries have found no evidence of wrongdoing. The impeachment bid comes ahead of a potential government shutdown at the end of this month.
I am directing our House committee to open a formal impeachment inquiry into President Joe Biden. This logical next step will give our committees the power to gather all facts and answers to your questions. That's exactly what we want to know.
US lawmakers scrutinizing China say Wall Street executives have asked to have their identities withheld when meeting with them so they don't alienate their Chinese investors. Representative Mike Gallagher says that a meeting with the bankers was like being in a witness protection program. Gallagher spoke at a hearing called by lawmakers to draw attention to threats they say China poses to the financial system. Take a look at how we're setting up for the Asian market opens. We are seeing futures under pressure, down 0.3%, as the Aussie is now at around that 1 week high. Of course, we have the US dollar really under pressure by the strength of the yen and the yuan. That has sort of reversed course, so we continue to watch where FX is going across Asia. But at the moment, you're seeing Kiwi stocks losing 0.1%. We're also watching Nikkei futures and S&P futures both unchanged. We had seen the Japanese yen gain ground for the first time in 4 sessions. In the previous session, up about 1%. We saw the Japanese yen, though, now falling after those gains that we saw on Monday. So we will continue to watch the JGB base as well in Japan because we're looking forward to that 20-year bond auction. We do have eco data from Japan as well in a few minutes, about 20 minutes or so. That would be the August PPI numbers. We have more to come on Daybreak Asia. This is Bloomberg.
Yeah. Mobile.
We're seeing a little bit of pressure in the oil prices in the Asian session after we saw WTI extending its rally to a 10-month high. Of course, this as we had that OPEC report saying that markets could be experiencing a shortfall of more than 3 million barrels a day in the fourth quarter. That would be the most constrained the market has been in more than a decade. We were also watching natural gas prices because we saw U.S. nat gas futures edge higher. We had a little bit of a mixed weather forecast. Normal temperatures seen stoking demand for the power plant fuel in the Rocky Mountain region and the Northeast next week. But of course, we were watching the European gas price easing, given that we are now seeing traders weighing a lackluster demand outlook against risks of supply